हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं नूर आलम सिद्दीकी और आप देख रहे हैं लर्न इंग्लिश इन अ शॉर्ट टाइम। आज डिबेट के लिए मुबश्शिर सिद्दीकी और वैभव दीप आएंगे। इनके डिबेट का टॉपिक है विच इज बेटर, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल और प्राइवेट स्कूल। नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल मुबश्शिर सिद्दीकी एंड वैभव दीप फॉर डिबेट।
Hello everybody, this is Mubashir Siddiqui here
And this is Vaibhav Deep here.
and today we have come here in debate round. The topic of our debate is which is better, government school or private school?
I am in favor of private schools because private schools provide many facilities like school library, computer lab, chemistry lab, etc. But there are no any facilities which are given to the students in government school. So I think private school is better than government school.
No, Mr. Vaibhav, I don't agree with you because these facilities are also available in government schools. But some government schools doesn't provide these facilities because of government's carelessness. So I think government school is better.
But the education system of private schools is far better than government school. So I think private schools is better than government school.
No, Mr. Vaibhav, the matter is not so because in government school also the education system is good and the poor students are taught without any fee and they are also given midday meal. So I think government school is better than private school.
But the discipline system of private schools is very good and the teachers and students are also well disciplined.
No, Mr. Vaibhav, you are not fully right because the discipline system of government school is also good and there are so many rules and regulations which have been made by the government to maintain discipline in the school campus. So from my viewpoint, the students who read in government school are also well disciplined.
But the teachers don't pay attention to the students and they don't teach honestly in government schools.
No, Mr. Vaibhav, the matter is not so because the teachers who teach in government schools are well qualified and there are only some teachers who are dishonest and they don't teach honestly, but there are so many teachers who always keep an eye on the students and they teach carefully. So I think government school is good.
But if the students go to private school, they can develop their communication skills and the medium of communication is English, whereas it is not so in government schools.
No, Mr. Vaibhav, I am sorry to disagree with what you say because English is also taught in detail with grammar in government schools. For example, in Delhi, there are so many government schools which are far better than private school and the students also communicate in English in the school campus and they also maintain discipline in the school campus. So from my point of view, government school is better than private school.
But private schools bring more ideas related to extracurricular activities and inter-school competitions, which are very useful for students. So from my point of view, private schools are far better than government schools.
No, Mr. Vaibhav, you are not fully right because these extracurricular activities are also available in government schools and there are so many programs such as quiz competitions, speech competitions and many types of seminars which are organized by the government schools and the students are also given prizes, whereas the private schools takes extra fees for organizing such programs and the fee structure of private school is very high which the poor students can't afford it, whereas government schools takes no any fees for imparting education. So I think government school is good.
Mr. Mubashir, actually we have to lose something to gain something. So we pay high fee in private schools and the teachers are highly qualified and they don't get salary from the government. So we pay fee for their salary.
No, Mr. Vaibhav, we know that right to education is our fundamental right and government schools impart education to all the children without any partiality or fee. So from my point of view, government school is far better than private school.
Yeah, I also think the same because education is important for all of us, either we read in government schools or in private schools. Thank you.
आज के लिए इतना ही। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा जरूर कमेंट करके बताएं। अगर पसंद आया हो तो इसे जरूर लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के भी इसे वाइडली शेयर करें। और अगर आपने अब तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इसे जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दें ताकि हमारे सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंचता रहे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।